Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Trade Recap. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. It's been a little while since I've recorded one of these, but I haven't stopped trading. I've been trading, I just haven't been recording recaps like a little goofy goober. A little goofy goober. We did take a trade today, so let's get into that. Why don't we? So we can see that on the 4-hour time frame, we invalidated this 4-hour fair value gap. Oops. So we invalidated this 4-hour fair value gap, and that led me to believe that okay, we might be bullish. But but we had this 1 hour for value gap which we were still respecting, and then we had this 1 hour for value gap that we were trailing into when market opened. So I was like, okay, perfect. If we stay here, bounce up, we're gonna be bullish. If we go through this, John, we're gonna be bearish, right? It's pretty simple as that, right? You can scale into the 15-minute time frame. So we could see we have this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. We also have this draw on liquidity, this 15-minute prime time fucking draw on liquidity. We have that prime time draw on liquidity right there. Also have these relative equal highs. Relative equal highs is a very good draw of liquidity, right? But I didn't want to get married to a bias. I didn't want to be like, okay, we're just going to be longing because we're tapping into a 1 hour for value gap. That means we're going to go up forever. Hooray! No, that's not what we do. That is not what we do, kitten. I'm going to tell you what we did. So, we have this. We have this 5-minute fair value gap here, which I didn't really take into account. I didn't think it was going to be very useful because we have this strong liquidity here. But I didn't want to get married to a bias, right? So we were respecting this 1 minute fair value gap. We were respecting this high time frame fair value gap. So let's go into the one. What happened on the 1 minute? The 1 minute, oopsie daisies. On the 1 minute, we were making these big ass dojis. Boom, doji, 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 doji. And what that means, and what that tells me, is that the buyers are losing momentum to push the market to the upside. That's why we're leaving these big ass wicks and these big ass candles to the upside, right? So what was I looking for, right? From here, I'm now bearish because you can see we're making SMT divergence with ES based off of these highs because we never really retraced into this fair value gap here. So we're making SMT divergence with a fair value gap on ES. We're also respecting order flow. We're also respecting 1 hour fair value gap. So what was I looking for, kitten? What was I looking for? All I was looking for now was a break. And when we got that break right here, boom, I executed. Boom, like lightning. Lightning fast, executed. So then, from there, kitten, we had a break even right here, and you're like, okay, then why do you have another entry right here? And I'm going to tell you why, kitten. I'm going to tell you why. The reason I have another entry there is because I was a fucking idiot and I accidentally hit sell instead of a buy. But you can see right here, I sold more positions. Right after we hit it again, I was like, damn, I accidentally reopened a position. And then I closed it right away. We didn't lose no money. Bang, 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 rang. So break even. Move stop loss to break even. From here, take profit 1. Here, take profit 2. Here, take profit 3. Full take profit on the day for a 1 to 2.16 risk to reward ratio in a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. Bangarang. If you guys enjoyed this video, thought it was useful, thought it was educational, maybe you just enjoyed, drop a thumbs up, maybe drop a follow, maybe subscribe, doesn't cost nothing. And I'll see you later. Peace, peace.